Wondering what your property type persona is? Well, wonder no more. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home team of Keller Williams, and here's a few property types to keep in mind if you're considering what type of home you're looking for. The first one is single family. This may mean you're looking for a yard, you want plenty of square footage, you don't want to share a sidewalk, driveway, or shared walls, and you'd like to see a property with the most appreciation possible. Number two, a farm or ranch. Give me a home where Buffalo Roam might be playing in the back of your mind as I say that. Well, you want to be a little further from amenities, so it's not a big deal to drive in for coffee or shopping. You're really looking for that tranquil nature, outdoors feel, maybe even a rocking chair on the front porch. Number three is a total opposite of that with a downtown condo or even a townhome that we're seeing both the urban and suburban feels for. You love to be where all the activity is taking place and you're okay with paying a monthly HOA to cover the landscaping and major repairs of the building. Lastly, we have waterfront properties. Now there's not a lot of those in Kansas and Missouri, but we do have some great lake communities we'd be happy to share about. And if you're looking for that ocean view, we can definitely connect you with a fantastic realtor to talk about a second home or investment property. Either way, let us know what questions you have on these properties or neighborhoods, and we'll find the one that best fits your style. Look forward to talking with you soon. Gina Walton, 913-449-1950.